With respect to the photograph on Governor Northam's personal page depicting an individual in blackface and an individual in KKK robes, we could not conclusively determine the identity of either individual depicted in that photograph. The governor himself has made inconsistent public statements in this regard. No individual that we interviewed has told us from personal knowledge that the governor is in that photograph, and no individual with knowledge has come forward to us to report that the governor is in the photograph. We sought to determine whether there is information that the photograph was placed on his page by error or by any other means that were not at his direction. I will note that our inquiry in this regard was restricted by the passage of time and by the dearth of contemporaneous documentation. While we have identified no information that the photograph was placed on Governor Northam's personal page in error or by any other means not at his direction, we could not conclusively determine the origin of that photograph.
The best we can conclude is that he erred on the side of caution initially and immediately regretted not having denied, and then in his mind tried to recant or correct the record the next day. He remembers the car, the cowboy hat, and the other one, but he says he does not remember the KKK and the blackface picture.
Why did EVMS not bring this to the attention of the governor or others?
I learned of this through our chief of staff and marketing communications director during the gubernatorial campaign. At that time, I had already made the decision that we were not going to proceed with further yearbook pictures. Having seen a few in the 2013 yearbook that created a decision for me where I decided not to continue those. We are a public institution. We receive public funds. We're an institution of higher education. I decided that we did not want to enter any opportunity to have that photo enter the press or provide a political process that we're dealing with today, frankly. We're apolitical. I focused our work on improving the diversity and inclusion of our institution and improving the academic performance of our students and reputation of EVMS. And I did not feel there was an affirmative duty for me to inform the governor since he was on his page.